Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Solana, we are trading at $23.04. 24-hour volume, we're up 60%, and market cap, we're down 6.48%. So heading over to our daily time frame, today's candlestick here, we can see that we broke below our trend line at the $24.51 here and actually exceeded lower or close to the 50% of our fib at $21.71. So we retested this area of support by the historical data that we have as the area of support here on February 25th all the way to the March 2nd. So we're able to hold on to that support. Now, if we can see dated back to that breakout here on April 11th, we have been able to come up all the way as high as the $26 here on April 17th. So just 2 days ago here that we were able to see that high. However, the price itself for Solana may actually see a reversal if the price itself actually closes below that 61%. If we see multiple candlesticks close below that 61%, then we are ultimately seeing this uptrend change into that downwards trend that we are seeing so far today. Now, there are a few indicators that we do see that may actually come into play in this downwards trend is the RSI here that we saw that initiated that sell opportunity. Once we see this D line cross below our K line there, that triggers that sell opportunity. And as the RSI continues to come down, it does need to find that level where it is considered as oversold to see the price come back up. Now, at that same prime location here where we saw that crossover, we saw the MACD indicator lose momentum. So these histograms not only got lighter, but smaller in size, retracing back to that 0%. And if we do see the price or the MACD indicator go below that 0%, it is strongly going to initiate that bear marketplace. So I'm just quickly going to go over the 4-hour time frame because I do want to show you a price point that is going to be very prime in the next couple of hours to go in the 4-hour time frame. So we can already see a few dances holding on to support at 61%. What we do see is that the price of or the body of the candlesticks is very, very close to that 61%, meaning that we are losing that momentum for the bulls to try to push away that 61% and come back up to retest an area of resistance. So this is where I'm going to be pulling up our volume profile. I'm going to do the fixed range because I want to initially grab this data and fixate on this data here, because essentially what we're looking at is where that supply and demand, if the support is going to show. And if we do see from these nodes, on the left-hand side here, this is the volume at the dollar amount that we're looking at. So we do have a few areas of that supply and demand using these longer nodes. So if the price itself moves away, either an upwards trend or a downwards trend, the price is going to seek the next area of supply. And we can see in the upwards here, let's just say Solana did break above the 61% in numerous candlesticks and it moves away from this retracement level. This is going to be the next price point the price is going to lead to is the $23.99 to that resistance line of $24.42. Because we're seeing a lot of selling that's happening today, most likely the price is going to come down to that area of support. And where we're seeing that little supply, because we've only got allocated these 3 candlesticks here on April 10th, we're only going to see this one little node here that's sticking out. So this is going to be the node here that we're going to find that area of support if the price does move away from the last supply that we see, or ultimately that 61%. So we're grabbing these 2 nodes here all the way down to that outskirts. It's going to be $22.21 to $22.50. Okay, so this again is a 4-hour time frame. If we do see the price move away the 61%, this is ultimately the body where the price is going to go. Depending on how fast that momentum builds, because we can see the MACD indicator already really, really big. We're seeing what in negative 0.26, which is a really big momentum build for the MACD indicator. We may see it continue to go down, and depending if it grows stronger, the price may not even go into this level and hold into the supply. It may come down and retest the 50% that we've previously seen in earlier on today at the $21.63. So that is my targets here for Solana. Again, if we do see that close below that 61% numerous candlesticks on a daily time frame, we have ultimately broken down this uptrend itself. Normally, whenever we see a breakout in an uptrend or a downwards trend, we typically use the trend line as an area of resistance. In this case, it is that area of resistance. If we retest this here and get rejected down, the price is going to continue to go down, and we will see that reversal here for Solana. So that's my video here for Solana, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.